The objects that we see around us look the way they are because of the way that they're manufactured. If we want to make an object, we build a mould and we put material into it and then we pull that mould apart. But we have to think of the pathways of the mould, and that restricts what we can actually make. Otherwise, we can get a block of material and we can cut into it, but we still have to think about the tool, and also it wastes a lot of material. 3D printing is different. In 3D printing, we work in a virtual environment. We build our model, we split it into layers on the computer, and then we print it layer by layer till it grows into its shape. This means that we can use complex geometries that just weren't possible before, and there's no waste. And also, because there's no cost of the mould, it means we can customize each print. What would you like to see 3D printed?